Pennsylvania's home health care agency is calling for more money in this year's state budget to support in-home care. Thanks for joining us. For Fox 43 News, I'm Evan Forrester.
And I'm Amy Lutz. Fox 43's Matt Kleinitz examines how current reimbursement rates are causing caregivers to walk away from the industry.
As budget talks continue in Harrisburg, advocates are asking for more money to stabilize Pennsylvania's home care system.
There are a lot of people who are literally on the border of crisis every single day.
The PA Homecare Association is calling on state lawmakers to increase the Commonwealth's Medicaid reimbursement rate to address a shortage of home care workers. According to the agency, Pennsylvania's caregivers are getting paid between 25 to 75% less than their peers in neighboring states under the current rate. Daniel Hawks, who runs a Life to Live home care in York, says he's lost several top caregivers over the past few months due to concerns about their pay.
People are constantly calling in, worried about how they're going to pay their rent, how they're going to pay their electric. And even with all of the supplemental stuff out there, when an individual is a single person and they're working 40 hours, it's still not enough.
Hawks adds that home care workers in southern York County will often move to Maryland to get a higher paying job, turning much of the area into a care desert.
Thankfully, we try to specialize in those areas, so we do get those cases often, but for most agencies, it's an impossibility. And those clients they just don't get care.
Every single day there is that, I hope somebody's coming today.
According to a 2025 study, DHS officials estimated that Pennsylvania would need to increase the Medicaid reimbursement rate by 23% to stabilize the home care system. Mia Haney with the PA Homecare Association says the crisis will continue to put more strain on the state's aging population.
It's a really challenging situation for seniors who have a desire to be independent and stay at home, don't want to go to a nursing facility, but whose children are saying, if we can't get reliable care, that's where you have to go.
Advocates say they are trying to work with lawmakers to ensure that caregivers and patients get the help they need.
We really can't afford to push this to another year.
State budget negotiations will continue, with a new spending plan supposed to be in place by July 1st. Matt Kleinitz, Fox 43 News.